Hi, I'm Crystal, also known as Calm as my dog, and I'm an Effect House creator. I'll be sharing some tips on how to make your effects more inclusive. It's important to build inclusive effects so everyone can have fun with your effects. It allows everyone to be seen and feel comfortable using your effects. When making effects, it's good practice to consider a variety of skin tones, hairstyles, facial features, body shapes, and accessibility levels. There's so many ways you can make your effect more inclusive using the tools provided in Effect House. One way you can do this is to test them. You can test how your effects look on different characters, which you can find in the media library in Effect House. This will help you to embrace everyone's beauty. You also have a template of different faces you can use when designing your beauty effects or masks. Millions of users will have access to your effects, so be mindful that users with different cultural contexts outside your own might perceive your effects in different ways. You might want to use warnings on your effects. You can design this into your effects by adding instructions. This is particularly important if you have flashing imagery or lights in your effects. Building inclusive community effects means avoiding gender and race stereotypes or any other stereotypes. As an Effect House creator, you get the opportunity to create experiences for millions of users, letting people feel creative and experiment with your out-of-this-world creations. So enjoy the process of coming up with your inclusive designs. Check out the Effect House website for more information on how to create inclusive effects for the TikTok community.